So actually you all really did a lot of hard work, huh? I mean like 10 years, no 13
More
years.
than 13.
More than 13 years.
Sorry, 15 years.
More than that,
15
more than
years.
that. And then we started. He started with like the bucket, like a 200-liter drum, like that. Put the oil in, put the tires in, put the fire underneath, like that.
Start from basic.
The basic that we done quite a lot.
So guys, here what you can see here is a better view of this fifth generation production unit.
Like the extruder in the plastic.
What happens over here? Doctor, could you open that one just for 1 second? Can you still open that one? Just to show that. So here, what you can see, this is the actual oil coming in from the tanks. What we are looking at here, look at that, beautiful. This is basically crude oil, so it's a very, very heavy diesel. And if you would have a heavy diesel engine, you would already drive with this one. Normally, this oil would then be sent into distillation to refining it to other forms of fuel, so traditional diesel and gasoline and kerosene, whatever would be needed. This production unit that you can see over here is actually one of the first generation units, which has been operational already for several years, but still doing well after so many years. And here you can actually see where the raw material is being dumped in. So there's our storage of raw material, which goes into the conveyor here. So you can see it's shredded apart. So this is all plastic. Look at this, guys. Look at this. No shortage of raw material. We are actually located very close to a dump, a landfill. So that's where all this is coming from. So the raw material goes in over there, goes into the production unit, and then from the production unit it comes out as a form of gas, and eventually then it's pumped into these tanks over here. And then here you are. Now, as you can see, this is a 100% open system. This is the first production unit that Dr. Mehta and his team developed. And there is the latest model, the fifth generation right there behind. The fifth generation, this one will be completed in the next couple of weeks and it will be operational. And the next unit that we will be making will be privately owned by Orientum and our partnership. Oil is then inserted into this refinery unit over here. So in this refinery, the oil is then refined into diesel or gasoline or any other form of fuel that would be needed. Here you can actually see some of the charcoal that is produced from the waste plastic. So from the total amount of plastic that is feeded into the machine, into the production unit, about 70% becomes fuel and about 30% will eventually come charcoal. This charcoal will later on be used as a heating raw material for the reactors in the plant. So I'm this far away, maybe a couple of, maybe 25 meters away, and there is a very, very small scent in the air for a burning or an oil kind of a scent, but there's absolutely no heavy smells or anything else around here. So it's a very well established production unit. Now here you can see here you can see the reactors which are being used for heating, and some of the firewood that is used over here. The plant is running. It is fully operational right now. Here is actually where the oil is coming, and the oil is then being pumped into these tanks over here. This is the so-called fourth generation production unit. We have already developed a more advanced unit, which I will show you more information soon. We're gonna visit there later today. But this is the place where the plastic is being turned into oil. Here is the control room. Sawadee krap, sawadee krap, sawadee krap.
Control room.
Thank you, krap.
อะไรนะเจอเหรอ